Hi, my name is Bill Tate. I'm a field service engineer from Matrix Packaging. I've been in flexible packaging for 24 years. We are a manufacturer of vertical form, fill, and seal machines for all types of flexible packaging. Our machines are made in the USA and can produce a variety of bag sizes starting at 2.75 inches wide to 18 inches wide, and up to and beyond 23 inches in length. At Matrix, our relationship is not over when a sale is done. Our long-term partnership includes continuing to support our customers with an in-house parts department and a large service team strategically placed throughout the U.S., as well as continued sales support for new equipment. We have extensive experience in many flexible packaging applications as we work within multiple vertical industries such as food, beverage, bakery, candy, coffee, tea, disinfectants and sanitizers, cold chain including gel and freezer packs, dried meats, IQF, pet foods and treats, pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals, snack foods, and more. In order to accomplish this, Matrix partners with and is the master distributor for FL Techniques, also a Promoc brand, manufacturing horizontal form, fill, seal, roll stock machines, IMV Pack, which can produce stick packs and sachet machines, and Toyo Jidoki, which offers pre-made pouch machines in a small rotary footprint, which is what we will be demonstrating today. There are many rotary pouch machines in the marketplace today. What makes Toyo different to the other machines? Well, Toyo Jidoki was the first machine to be developed and made for the pouch market in 1964. All others in the marketplace are inexperienced and are imitations to Toyo Jidoki. Many use 2 or 3 times the amount of air than a Toyo Jidoki machine and do not have features and benefits available on Toyo machines. Some examples of this include pulsating grippers, stainless frames, pouch recirculating on a missed weight, easy to load in feeds, and their liquid pumps are second to none. We are going to be showing you 4 different Toyo machines packaging a variety of items, including frozen, liquid, powder, and solid. We'll start with frozen meatballs.
Here we have a Toyo TT packaging frozen meatballs. The TT8BW is a 2-up machine, so it picks up 2 pouches at a time, places them in the grippers, indexes them through a code date station, indexes them to a station where the pouches are open, both top and bottom are open with suction cups, moves over to a fill station where the meatballs or product is placed into the bag through, in this case, from a combination netway scale. There's a settling station where the bags are shaken to settle the product, a sealing station, a cooling station, and then the bags are discharged. Next is a TT9CW. This machine can package solids or liquids. This is also a machine doing 2 up or 2 pouches at the same time. Pouches are picked up and placed into the grippers. Pouches are code dated. Pouches are open. There's a filling station where the liquid is inserted. There's also an alternate second filling station for solid product. Pouches are closed and then heat sealed. This machine has dual heat sealing stations to ensure a good top seal. And then the seal is cooled for a nice flat, clean seal, and then discharged. TT8A2 machine is a single station machine, doing one pouch at a time. It has a larger range, it can do a larger pouch than some of the machines we've seen previously in this video. All the machines are touchscreen adjustment. Here you can see the pouch being picked up, placed into the grippers, indexed over for a date code. From the date code station, we index to the station where the pouch is opened with suction cups. Pouch is filled, in this case with an auger filler, doing a powder. After the fill station, there are vibrating tables to help settle the product. Oh, here we're seeing the speedy auger filler. This machine's set up to do a test in our lab. Product in the pouch. You can see as it goes around after the fill station, it's being settled in 2 stations to help the product settle into the bag prior to sealing, and then cooling and discharge. There's the cooling station on the right, sealing station on the left, and the conveyor belt takes the finished bags out. The TLAX7 machine is a high-speed continuous motion machine. It has a carousel that's continually moving. Pouches are loaded into 4 magazines. All 4 magazines, the pouches are picked up simultaneously, and transfer grippers take the pouch from the magazines and move them into the continually moving chain conveyor. Here's a nice slow motion shot of that as the pouches are grabbed from above, moved in and grabbed by the chain conveyor. We're back to full speed. Next we have pouch opening. These are flat pouches. They are zippered pouches, but they're run upside down. So we're not filling through the zipper, we're filling through the bottom of the pouch and sealing the bottom of the pouch. High-speed date code and an inspection camera verifying date code. Slow motion of the pouch opening and inspection station. Another slow motion shot of the pouch opening. From here, the pouches move into a section where they're filled. It's a combination scale, twin discharge. So each funnel is dumping into every other. Each scale funnel is dumping into every other pouch. You can just make out the product transfer. Here are the timing hoppers on the scale. Slow motion, it's a little easier to make out the product falling as the funnels come into position. Further down the line, funnels lift and the bags go into the sealing section where the top of the bag as it's made, which is really the bottom, is sealed in this area. The finished pouches come out and are discharged for packing. Slow motion showing the pouches coming onto the takeaway conveyor. And the bags come through and onto a high-speed check weigher for verification. And a finished pouch.
And we're back. I think we have time for a few questions.
We just have a couple of questions. The first one, of course, is where are these machines made?
They're made in Japan, China, and Michigan.
So can you talk a little bit about how customers here in the United States can get parts and service?
Our parts and service is based out of Saukville, Wisconsin. We have a good parts stock, and we have some service technicians and engineers based across the U.S.
And our last question is if you could talk a little bit about changeover times.
Changeover times are well under 5 minutes for an experienced operator. Changeovers are very easy on this machine.
And what does that all entail?
It's mainly mechanical. There's a recipe that you enter, and then you change the width of the infeed and the width of the grippers, and you're basically done.
Great, thank you.
We've run out of time. Thanks for watching our demo and for spending time with us during Pack Expo Connects. If we didn't get your question, we will be following up with you. In the meantime, for more information or to connect with us, please visit our showroom at pe.show/300 or visit our website at www.matrixpm.com.